officially from Google and completely free. Today we're breaking down 8 AI image editing tools inside Google Flow, powered by the Nano Banana model. Open Google Flow, click Explore Tools, hit Template. Let's jump right in. First tool, Simple Sketch. Its core feature is taking your basic wireframes or rough doodles and instantly turning them into high-fidelity, stylized images. Here is the main interface. You have your canvas right in the middle, and basic tools like brushes and colors down below. Let's grab a brush and do a quick sketch of a bicycle. Hit Generate, and the AI fills in the details, and we have a clean bike render. But it gets even better when you use the prompt box down here. If I just type motorcycle and hit enter, the AI instantly transforms that rough sketch into a motorcycle. Need to make a quick tweak? Just click this edit icon right under the image to edit your generated result. If I type green motorcycle, it instantly changes the color for me. This tool is also incredible for text effects. Click the text tool at the bottom and let's type the letter A. Then, in the prompt box, I'll type, "Make this text look like a puffy pink balloon, soft, rounded, glossy, with a few natural wrinkles." Look at that, the texture is super realistic and natural. Simple Sketch is also amazing for style transfer. Say I draw a quick cat, but I want this specific style. I upload my reference image to ChatGPT and say, I want to recreate the design style of this image. Please give me a prompt. But the prompt still describes a dog, so I just add, replace the dog in the image with my hand-drawn cat, revise this prompt. Once ChatGPT gives me the updated prompt, I just paste it back here into Flow. And just like that, it generates a similar style. Let's check out this image icon. This is your media library where you manage everything you have generated or used. Click Upload Media to bring in your own files. I am going to upload a photo of a model and then quickly draw a basic dress shape over her. For the prompt, I will type, "Put this red maxi dress on the model." The AI dresses her in the red dress, completely maintaining her original facial features. There is an additional instructions section. By default, the system renders your sketches as photorealistic 3D rendering. But this is totally customizable. If I change it to watercolor painting style and draw something new, the default output completely shifts to a watercolor vibe. You can easily switch it back to 3D or lock in whatever global visual style you are going for. If you are not satisfied with the generated result, you can just click this icon under the image to regenerate it. Finally, if you click Image on the left navigation bar, it automatically saves your entire generation history. Here, you can change aspect ratios, switch between the 3 Nano Banana models, add new prompts to modify the image, or use the selection tool for local inpainting, though sometimes these image modifications might take a few tries to get perfectly right. If standard prompts just aren't cutting it for your edits, you can try using JSON format to modify the image. You can check out my video Why Use JSON Prompts for a specific guide on how to do that. On the top left, there is a download button. Standard users can download in 1K and 2K, but if you have an Ultra membership, you can grab the raw 4K resolution files. Second tool, Scene Explorer. With this tool, once you set a base scene, the AI can generate frames with different angles, lighting, or details. Let's type in 1950s New York. Down below, you have your basic shots. And the most interesting part is that the AI will generate other related things based on your prompt. Let's generate a simple one first, then add a neon diner and a vintage subway car. The generated results all perfectly capture the 1950s vibe, from the character outfits to the cars and architecture. You can also have it generate specific scenarios. For example, by entering this prompt, I will have the AI generate concept art for an abandoned futuristic city game scene. Again, let's start with a simple shot, then add a mossy hover bus, and then try a high angle. It generates the corresponding effects based on your selections. But what if you want to maintain image consistency? For instance, you only want to change the angle while keeping the rest of the image exactly the same. If you are a paid user, you can click this Edit button and enter the prompt. After the image is generated, selecting Basic or Things You Might See modifies or adds elements to the existing image rather than generating a completely new one. Wait a moment, and Flow is updated. Let's re-enter our prompt and start with a simple shot again. Next, generate a nighttime version. You can compare them. Aside from shifting to nighttime, no other elements in the image have changed at all. This edit feature is seriously amazing. It allows us to adjust the tool's functionality exactly to our needs. Third tool, Mockup. This tool composites your images into different environments. Click Import Image and upload a logo file, then click through the templates below: computer, phone, TV, hat, bag, pin, book, poster, window, billboard, and mural. Wait a moment, and the mock-up effects for the logo on every single template are fully generated. The results are really impressive. This hat even added an embroidery texture that looks super realistic and natural. This pin also has a distinct metallic finish. You can also use the Custom Mockup feature here. I will add a mug effect. If you are not completely satisfied with how it looks, just click this icon below to regenerate another one. You can even type in specific image details, like a person holding a mug under a coffee machine filling it with fresh coffee. Mockup is perfect for showcasing brand identities and packaging, presenting UI designs across different device screens, and previewing physical marketing materials. Fourth tool, Image Editor. First, upload an image. Right in the middle is your core Canvas preview area. Over on the right is the basic Properties control panel for visual parameters like opacity, color, and brightness. Down at the bottom, the floating toolbar houses all the core AI editing features. And on the left is your layer management area. The first feature is Refine, which uses AI to automatically improve your image. You can type in your own prompt, but I will just use the default one here. The AI adjusted the lighting for me and even added some nice details. The second is inpaint, marked by the brush icon. This feature lets you paint over or select a specific area in the image, and then have the AI either generate new content or remove objects in that spot. The third is outpaint, which uses AI to expand the borders of your image. The fourth is Cutout, the AI background removal tool. This tool doesn't work all that well if the subject and background look too similar. If you click on the blank area, you can select the model on the right, and for background removal, you can choose People or Generate. After switching that, the results look a bit better. Let's swap to another image. It seems this is mainly suited for cutting out simpler images. The last one is Crop, which is just a straightforward tool for cropping the image size. There is also a text tool for adding text, and you can tweak the text parameters on the right. However, you cannot adjust the size there. But you can resize the text, but if you turn on Enable Depth, you can actually place the text right behind the mug. This is really cool and perfect for designing posters or banners. You can also adjust the order of everything using the Layers panel on the left. Fifth tool, Shot Explorer. This tool uses AI to generate different camera angles and perspectives for your images. Let's stick with that same mug image. Down below, you will see 3 sections: perspective, pan, and zoom. I will start by selecting side, right, and extreme detail. The side option shows the side profile of the mug. Right actually pans the camera to the right, and the AI automatically fills in the missing area on the left. Extreme detail gives us a nice, zoomed-in look at the logo's details. Now let's try zoom out, surprise me, and down. Zoom out pulls the camera back to reveal the entire surrounding space. Surprise me gave us some neat details of a spoon. Let's have it generate a few more just to see. Each time, it generates completely different details in various areas of the image. Sixth tool, Mask Magic. This is another great tool for AI image editing. Let's click Open Gallery and stick with that same mug image. It can automatically select areas for you, or you can switch to the brush tool on the left panel for more precise control. You can easily adjust the brush size here as well. Let's select the pattern in the middle and type in the prompt. Replace the selected area with a cute cartoon kitten. Down in the bottom right corner, you can see it processing the edit, and just like that, the center design is swapped out for a little cat. You also have the option right here to switch the model over to Nano Banana 2. Seventh tool, Converge. This tool uses AI to render your sketches into high-quality images. First, let's upload a simple line drawing of a chair. Click Generate Vector Layer. This feature takes your current sketch, extracts the lines and contours, and completely redraws it as a scalable vector graphic. It gives us 4 different versions to choose from. Pick the best one. Now we can use the Annotate tool to add specific labels right onto the object. I am going to label the specific materials I want for this chair. Adding these annotations helps the AI generate a much more accurate final image. Over on the right, you can select your model and type in your prompts. Down in the Style section, there are multiple preset styles to choose from, or you can easily set up your own. You can also adjust your image aspect ratio here. Now it is generating 4 images based on my annotations. Let's select one and then type, "The background is a living room." Make sure to turn on contextual background. This is crucial because it helps the object blend into its new environment seamlessly. This workflow allows you to iteratively edit the image round by round exactly to your requirements. Let's try one more and upload an architectural sketch. This time I will select the realistic cinematic style. The result looks amazing. Next, let's add the prompt. Daytime, in a beautiful garden with clear, sunny weather. As you can see, this tool is absolutely perfect for architecture, industrial design, and environment design. Eighth tool, Grid Architect. This tool from Nano Banana is designed for creating image grids and extracting individual images from them. You still have the option to choose between the Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2 models, adjust your image dimensions, and select your preferred visual style. You can even customize exactly how many storyboard panels you want. Down below, there are 3 main options. Unified Theme is perfect for generating a highly cohesive set of images using a single overarching prompt. Sequence is ideal if you want to write individual prompts and set camera angles for each specific grid to create a continuous shot sequence. And Prompt Wizard can actually take an entire script or story and automatically break it down into a multi-panel storyboard. Let's paste in this prompt and hit Generate. Very quickly, 4 storyboard panels are generated. You can also upload your own products to generate custom storyboards. Just click this plus icon and upload your product image. Enter the prompt for the storyboard you want to create. The generated images maintain perfect consistency with your original product photo. These generated storyboards are also fully editable. Click on an image to jump into the editing page. Here I will type in the prompt, "There's a drop of essential oil on her cheek," then click Regenerate Shot, and the image is instantly updated. You can even add your own custom visual styles. Click Custom Style. I am going to add a Studio Ghibli anime style, and then type in the specific style prompt. Hit Save, and the style is automatically added to your list. Let's test this style out. I will select Prompt Wizard and enter a prompt, letting it automatically break it down into a storyboard for me. You can totally tweak the generated prompts right here. This is also where you can fine-tune your camera moves, adjust the viewing angles, or add in your own reference images. Once you're set, just hit Generate, and just like that, the Ghibli-style storyboard panels are fully rendered. Besides modifying the images through text prompts, you can also use these two specific options below to instantly adjust the camera framing and perspective. One last quick tip. If you need to download each individual panel separately, you have to click Enhance All to 1K. This is necessary for the individual high-res shots to actually be saved over into your images library. And, as we mentioned earlier, you can still jump right back in from there and continue further editing these images if you need to. Finally, we have Create Tool. You can actually use AI to build your own custom tools right here. Click Create Tool. They have provided 3 examples here, but I want to build a tool that extracts JSON prompts from images. Let's paste in this prompt. Wait a moment, and the tool is automatically generated. Let's add an image to test it out. The JSON prompt has been perfectly extracted for me. Click Copy JSON, and let's paste it over here to check. Looks great, no issues at all. Click the Share button in the top right corner and hit Copy Link. With this link, anyone can open your tool. And you can also always find it under your My Tools section. Plus, Google Flow also has a community section where you can discover and use tools created by other users. Today's tools are absolutely perfect for visual, UX, architectural, industrial, and fashion designers looking to seriously optimize their workflows. Google Flow also has a ton of powerful video editing features, but we will cover those in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've included all the prompts in the description below, completely free to download, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.